I applied to this program because I really wanted more of a background in clinical research, particularly doing research with communities that are under-resourced and historically underrepresented in research. I really wanted a stronger background in it. I believe that the best place to get this background is at the Morehouse School of Medicine because Morehouse is the leader in health equity research, and there's no better place for me to be than to be here and to learn here. What has stood out to me about this program so far is just how supportive and collaborative everybody is. Everybody is so supportive, everybody from the teachers to the program leaders to all of my classmates and people in the cohort, they're all very supportive. And everybody just wants you to succeed here, which is exactly what I was hoping to be a part of.